Good morning, namaste. We are here for our weekly pick a card reading, and all you have to do is pick a card or pick a number between 1 and 6 and post it in the comments and let me know that you are here, and then just watch the video and we will go through the readings one by one for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Today I'm going to use this deck. It's called Wisdom of the Oracle Cards by baron-reid. So if you are watching this video, let me know where you are watching this from in the world. I am here going live from Atlanta, Georgia, and let's get started. Let me put these cards and arrange them. Let me know how your week is going, what you're up to, what have you planned. Okay. So card number 1 is coming to the edge. So you are at a point where you are about to take a leap into something that is unknown to you, and you are a little scared, or you want to dive in completely forward. So you have to take that step of courage into the unknown and jump completely in. So if you chose number 1 as your card, then this is your card. It says coming to the edge. So whatever that you're planning on doing, it is telling you to take that leap of faith and put all your efforts into that, taking that action that will move you forward. And even if you're feeling a little lost, or if you're feeling like, you might not be sure if you should take that step or not, sometimes you have to actually leap into it. And when you leap into that faith, into that unknown, your wings will appear on your own, your support system will appear, and you will get those actions and help from other people, or from experiences and from events and things like that, to take you to fruition of your projects. And we have Misty here. Hi Misty, how are you doing? Misty, we are doing a pick a card reading, and this was number 1. It's coming to the edge, and I'm going to read the oracle message for it. And all you have to do is pick a number from 1 to 6 and post in the comments. I took a break for I think 2 weeks, so here I am again. Okay. So coming to the edge, come to the edge. Facing the unknown is the only choice you really have right now if you want to progress. It's okay to be afraid. Now is the time to take a risk that is not calculated. To feel the exhilaration as you ready yourself for a leap of faith. Spirit is present, so let go of your fear. You're called to express your true self. Listen to your heart and soul and not your head. Come to the edge and discover that you can fly. You must step into the unfamiliar so that you may find your miracles. So if you had number 1, this is your card. And if you're watching this video live, let me know where you're watching this from. I always love to see where people watch from and what the reach is. If you picked number 2, your card is Yang. It is all about taking action and doing. A lot of times we talk about receiving and being, but if you got this card today, it's all about taking action. So if you have been inspired, if you have set intentions towards fulfilling any projects, all you have to do is start taking action. What you can take action on today? What is one tiny action that can move you forward? Go ahead and do that. You are being called to do right now. Yang represents the power of action, the energies that propel the world forward and manifesting thought and desire into concrete form. A lot of time when people think about law of attraction, they only think about calling in their desires or praying and asking for things, but they forget about taking action. So here is your clue to take action towards your dreams. You cannot just sit on things. Sometimes you have to take the action. It's a perfect time to act, for you can easily build momentum and make headway. What you want will come to fruition if you proceed confidently. This card signifies. I'm reading the correct thing. This card signifies new life and is a sure sign that obstacles have been overcome. There is no reason to hesitate. You are the shaper of your destiny now. The Yang card definitely tells you that you can create your own future. You have to take action. And that was number 2. And if you have number 3, this card almost comes up every week. Soulmates. So if you are in a relationship, or if you are currently surrounded by people, you might find that they are here for helping you towards learning a lesson, or towards taking you from some form of a transformation. They are here for being there for you for either a short time or a long time, right? So this is a soulmates card. If you picked number 3, this is your card. And let's see what the oracle has to say about it. Hi Monica, how are you doing? Let me know which number you pick. And right now I'm reading for number 3. You are meant to evolve and transform with companionship of others. Certain people enter into your life in order to take you to the next level of healing, consciousness, and authenticity. It is always a reciprocal experience, although the results for each of you will vary. You know these people by the strong pull drawing you towards them, and sometimes by a strong aversion to them initially. Soulmates can be friends for life or remain in your life for only a short time. No matter what, you will be changed in ways you can't possibly fathom now. Pay attention to these people today. They are your greatest gifts. So that was number 3. Now we have number 4. We have Kristen Bess in the house. And hi, let me know where you're watching from. And for number 4, it's fork in the road. So if you have seen forks in the road, there are different, life is now showing you different paths, and you are at a point of choice. What will you choose? So you might be at a place where you are seeing more than one path that can take you towards your destiny. So what you have to do is try to be more silent and see which path resonates with you the most and make a choice. It might be a difficult time, because sometimes it is harder for us to make a choice, and we want to do everything in our power and do more, right? But it is now the time to be quiet, to listen to your heart, and then move forward with making a decision. So let's see what the oracle has to say for this. Every choice has a consequence. You have arrived at a fork in the road and are being asked to come to a decision. Will you further your dreams by choosing left or choosing right? Will you take the road less traveled or the one well worn by others who have come before you? This is your choice and yours alone to make. Circumstances and other people will not make it for you. Be present and do not avoid this junction, for it is an important crossroads. Take heart, as no matter which path you choose, you will have a rich and meaningful experience. So that was for you if you chose number 4. And it's all about learning. Like, life is all about making choices and then being okay with the choices that we made and then moving forward, right? And then enjoying the path that we took. If you chose number 5, this is your card. It's peace. And if this is your card, all you have to do is find more peace in your life. And maybe this is showing where you are at right now, where you are feeling more peaceful and joyful, or maybe you're feeling really overwhelmed and in form of a chaos, and what you're calling in your life is peace. So finding those daily rituals to do, or finding the place or time to meditate, journal, or do some form of a yoga practice, or whatever that you do, exercise, right? Or a walk. I really love walks. Sometimes they are so peaceful, right? You don't have to do something which is very strenuous at all. But finding that ritual so that you can bring peace to your mind, body, and soul is very important for you at this moment. And Monica, I'm not picking cards for everyone. I am actually only picking cards from number 1 to number 6. So all you have to do is choose numbers from 1 to 6. There will be no 7th card pulled. Thank you. So let's read about peace. It doesn't get any better than this. A quiet mind, a heart fulfilled, freedom from want, and the soul's satisfaction. The way to peace is through radical acceptance. Everything in your world is exactly as it should be. Harmony is beautiful, enjoy it. So if you chose number 5, that was for you. And now we are at the last card, number 6. So if you chose number 6, we are here. And it's a thinker. So you might be at a point right now where there is a puzzle in front of you, or there is a problem, or some sort of a occurrence that has happened that has put you in a mode of thinking, and you are somewhere where you're not sure where this is going. And if you are in that space, again, a good way to move away from it is to become quiet and to listen to your heart, listen to your intuition, and also weigh all the possibilities and weigh the pros and cons of whatever is put in front of you. And let's see. Let's see what the oracle says. The ability to reason and strategize is the focus now. Take things at face value and follow the logical path. Your calculations will prove to be correct, for in this moment there is no deeper meaning than what is obvious. Things are exactly as they seem. You have all the information you need. Keep it simple and you will win the game of life you are playing right now. So this was number 6. So number 1 was coming to the edge and taking a leap of faith. Number 2 was again about taking action, the yang energy. Number 3 was about soulmates and finding those soulmate people in your life, or who are currently present or are going to be present soon. Number 4 was about making choices. Number 5 was accepting what it is and finding peace with what is. And number 6 was about a problem in your life where you have everything you need and all you have to do is make that decision and move forward and keep it simple. So this was our roundup for our weekly pick a card reading. Tomorrow I have a yoga nidra meditation live happening at 4 p.m. EST. If you want to join, I have posted the link in the description of this video. If you are interested in more oracle services, I have put that link as well. You can take, I don't know what the right word is, but you can register for any services if you are interested. And if not, I will see you next Monday with a weekly pick a card reading. Thank you again. Namaste.